Business owners and how to efficiently use your profits. So for anyone who is running a business and you have money sitting in your business account and you don't want to pay tax on that money, there's a number of different options that you can put in place to protect both you and your employees and your own financial well-being. These have a range of different items such as protection. For most people, their salary is their biggest asset. We can protect that in a tax efficient manner through income protection schemes. An income protection policy is tax deductible either as an employer or as an employee benefit. So a really good retention tool as well to keep and to maintain your staff. Other options are things like life cover, which can be done through a death in service benefit. And we also have various different shareholder protections or partnership protections that if in the event an unforeseen event happens, that it isn't going to interrupt your main business activity. You can extract money from your business in a tax efficient manner through a personal retirement savings account, or more commonly known as a PRSA or pension scheme. This is where you take money. If you're an employee, you get tax relief at your marginal rate, so either 20% or 40%. If you're an employer, again, this can come directly from your business account. And the goal is over time that this is invested in a pension fund. It'll compound, and when you reach your retirement date, it'll provide you with a lump sum and a replacement income for when you are no longer working. Other tax efficient ways that revenue allow you withdraw funds is also on the sale of your business. So there are two key benefits that are important. One is retirement relief and the other is entrepreneurial relief, which allows you either to extract a lump sum tax-free from your business, or on the sale of your business reduce the potential capital gains tax to a limit of only 10% instead of the normal 33%. If this is something you're interested in finding more out, please book in for our business consultation.